Assalamualaikum to all members. Crypto Gem here. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am here with a new crypto project which name is Roya Token. I tell you all information about it, so keep watching my video till end. Before starting my video, I request you, if you are new to my channel and watching my video, then please like my video and give me a good comment. It's my request to you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get the latest videos update. Thank you. Let's start the video. So here you can see the name of the token is Roya token. Here you can see the name of the token, and link is royatoken.com, and the link of this token I can give you in my video descriptions. And let's start the video. तो देखें दोस्तों, यहाँ पर मैं आपको इस टोकन की इंट्रोडक्शन देने जा रहा हूँ। यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं आप, राया टोकन पब्लिक सेल स्टार्टेड। इनकी जो पब्लिक सेल है वो स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। उसके अलावा राया टोकन फीचर टोकन डोंट मिस, इनके कहते हैं कि राया टोकन जो है ये एक फीचर टोकन है जिसे हमने मिस नहीं कर। Here you can see the buy on PancakeSwap white paper, edit report and log token, and I tell you everything about it. And उसके बाद चलते हैं नीचे, तो यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं आप टोकन इनका दिया हुआ है, ये भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा। उसके अलावा जी, व्हाट इज राया टोकन? इट इज़ द क्रिप्टो मनी ऑफ ड्रीम विच इज़ प्लान्ड टू बी यूज्ड इन द ड्रीम एप्लीकेशन and is target to be elected on crypto exchange, and we are planning to be listed on 5 major exchange among the world's 200 largest exchange in the coin market cap ranking. In addition, the Raya token was produced by BEP20 network. Its total supply is 100,000,000 prices, 75% locked for 10 years, 20% will be shoot public, 5% received for the team rewards. Here you can see the token name is Raya token, symbol is Roya, and the type the contact address is BP20, and the price is 100. The contact address is here. You can click on it and copy the link address, and we will definitely not be producing any Raya tokens. Here you can see the token distribution, 20% is for public sale and 70% locked for 10 years and 5% team and rewardings. Here you can see the roadmap, and the Raya token roadmap is starting from 2019 and the birth of the Raya token idea, and in 2020 the applications are work, and in 2021 the pre-sale token pre-sale start, and it is end on 2022. Here, what is the resolution of Raya token? You can see the decentralized cryptocurrency is massive produced by the entire cryptocurrency system at all publicity known written defined by the system was continued in decentralized banking and ecosystems such as federal reserve system, corporate brands, or government control of the money supply by issuing federal currencies and requesting additions and digital banking ledgers. Raya token will provide us with a fast, secure, and smooth payment efficiency and dreamers. Here you can see the provided details, and you can click on it to play the video. Here you can see about marketing, providers, applications, and payments, etc. Here you can see the airdrop applications and conditions. If you want to get their airdrop, you can get their airdrop, and application are on YouTube and Play Store, and the conditions are here. Here you can read the condition. First condition is, before applying on airdrop, follow the Twitter and Instagram account at the bottom of the website. And they are saying, before get the airdrop, please join our Telegram and Twitter so you can get the latest update of our token. Join our Telegram account at the bottom of our website before applying for an airdrop. Here you can see the third option is, before applying on our airdrop, have a Raya token of maximum 0.1 BNB. If you want to join the airdrop, you have to buy Raya token, which minimum amount is 0.1 BNB. Anyone holding this amount and above will be dreamed to have won the airdrop if they meet their conditions. Fourth condition is Raya token will be sent to the wallet address of the users who have won the airdrop. If you won the airdrop, the Raya token will automatically send it in your wallet in form of 0.2 BNB. For example, if you buy the Raya token which worth is 0.1 BNB, if you join the airdrop and you will win it, and you can get 0.02 BNB. The airdrop distribution will be made a month after listing on exchanges. Sixth option is please do or write an incomplete or incorrect informations. Those write incomplete and incorrect information will not be able to benefit from the airdrop. Here you can see the seventh option is participation in the airdrop will run from August 13, 2021 to October 13, 2021. You have to keep the Raya token in your wallet until December 31, 2021. It suggestion is to participate in Raya token airdrop. You need to download our iOS and Android application. The Android application is on YouTube and Play Store. You can get these links from my YouTube video channel, and you can click on it and get their applications. Here you can message them by purchasing their quality and email them by clicking on email, and others you can send your wallet address to Dream Token, and you can join their Telegram address, Twitter and Instagram also. You can submit your applications if you have some applications, and if you want to contact with the team, you can contact them in Instagram and other IDs. Here is the name of the team members, and you can see here name and other details are given in it. And I hope you will enjoying my video. And here you can see frequently ask any question. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask them frequently. If you have not found it the answer of your question, please contact us by writing info@rayachokan.com by via Telegram channel. Well, first join their Telegram channel, and then you are able to email them. Here you can see what is the dream app, and if you have some question in your mind, you can ask them frequently. Would you like to work with us as a dream indie player? Yes, I want to work with you. Here you can enter your name, then phone number, email, and about you, and click on submit button if you want to submit. And here you can contact them by Workbill LCC and name. The address is 651 North Bird Steel, Midtown, and Dorella, USA. Here you can email them, Telegram, join their Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube also. And you can visit their live location, and if you want to get their application, click on Google Play and App Store. You can get their application easily. So I click on it, and after giving my pin, I can get their application. So I want to install it, and clicking on install. The application is only 1.8 MB, so I can get their application. So first of all, I want to show the Pocoin. So click on Pocoin. The BSC scan chart Pocoin is open. Here you can see the ups and downs and up of the tokens, and the ratings are perfectly shown on this website, and the tokens are shown on this website. After entrance, you can connect your wallet at the top corner, and if you have the contact address, please paste your contact address in this sign. And if you want to show trades and single block, if you want to see single block, you can click on single block, and if you want to see trades, you can click on trades. The ranking is now down and dump. If you want to buy the token, the benefit is for you when the ranking is up at the top corner. You have got your 10x profit, and the token tax is here, wallet tax, buyers, and all things are shown on this website. Here you can see, and you can also see the chart, trade, mini wallet, about tools, etc here, and you can buy and sell. the token here, and you can see the buy on PancakeSwap white paper and adapt report. So I can show you the buy on PancakeSwap, and you can see the latest PancakeSwap.finance website. Click on it, and after clicking on it, the token will be showed after some minutes. So after entering on PancakeSwap.finance, I click on I understand and then import. You can see the BNB and Raya token, and you can write the BNB here. If you want to buy 500 BNB Raya tokens, you can write the 500 prices here, and after clicking on it, and the Raya token will show in the corner, and you can see here, and after them you can connect your wallet if you have Trust and MetaMask. You can get the token with Trust and MetaMask, and you can get the token with Wallet Connect if you want to get the token with Wallet Connect. And you can see their white paper, and clicking on white paper you can see their white paper. The white paper is now in pending, and the 40% 44% the white paper is completed, and after the last completion and last touch, you can see their white paper, and keep supporting them, and join their community so you can get the latest updates. And I hope you are understanding my video, and I hope you are clear about this project. Then you can click on log token, and you can see the dex trade and dex sale app, and here you can see the token wallet and other things. First you have to connect your wallet, and then you can start the selling and purchasing work. Here you can see the white paper and adapt report. Here you can click on adapt report. After clicking on it, you can see the adapt report and other things are showed on this website, and you can click on it. After clicking on it, you can get all the informations and Solidity Finance about this project on this website, and the functional graphs and everything are displayed on the sites. You can get the latest updates and token address and other things here. If you want to buy the token, then I advise you please invest your money in this token so you can get good rewards. So keep supporting me, and love my video, give me a good comments. So love you. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.